Guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're gonna be making an axe head. So here's the guy that's gonna be working on the. And why would you do that? You gotta work on it, bro. I'm not paying you for nothing.
You're not paying me.
Yes, I am. Sir, I think you dropped this. Sir. That was $20 right there.
I didn't pay for it.
Look at this man. Time lapse time. The wild dog in their natural habitat, eating grass and playing with a soccer ball. As we see the white dog passing through, she's running around. Get this. Like, what is that? Oh.
You want me to remove all this?
I don't know, that's what I've seen in the...
That's gonna be difficult.
Curving, I don't know.
Here you go.
I'm asking.
Like
Yeah. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure this is what it should look like?
You've seen my work.
No, I don't think that.
You've seen
that
my
is.
work.
How is he gonna take that off with a rock chisel?
He is the stone grinder. I'm just the artist, okay?
Okay.
If you want to see more of the work I have done,
No.
Record me the whole time?
Yes. This is a documentary.
Screw this.
Just keep
Turn this off and restart it.
No water? Okay. What? Just keep going.
in the natural environment, it starts to rain. Like, he's still working even in this harsh environment. And this harsh environment gets even tougher. Bruh.
On work. Alright, I think I'm gonna do a time lapse. You wanna do a time lapse?
Yeah.
Those are easy to do. Alright.
I need to pull my phone out. On YouTube?
If I like put
because we've been saying our names.
If I put 3 hours of editing into this video, yes, I'm gonna put this on YouTube.
You're posting our face. You're showing our faces. You're showing my around my house.
Who cares? I don't care. YouTubers do that all the time. Aerial view.
We'll mount it on the only people.
All right,
Only the 15.
Aerial view. All right, we'll just have this video on loop right here.
Alright, well, come this way. I got some. Well, he's...
Thanks y'all for watching this YouTube video. Be sure to smash that like button. Catch y'all later.